Welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Juice box, a juicy juice box. Not your everyday, ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box. We want a juice box, a juicy juice box. Not your everyday, ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box, a juicy juice box. Not your everyday, ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box.
Kiddo Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so I know that always as usual coming from school then going back to school. So now tomorrow is holy day and now we have to go to school from Sunday to Thursday. After that it is weekend. So and of course you'll be planning like going out, then maybe some people will be sitting at home because they have exams nowadays. Even my exam results have also been published. I got nice marks anyways. Some I got full and 9.34 like that out of 10. So then even after the exhibition is over, now another thing is there, it is annual prize day and I'm literally busy with that in my school and I'm selected for singing. So how do I have to stay back, but for you I have came here to make you enjoy in when you are watching the TV you should enjoy, that is why. Okay, so now after one more month, that is this May should go and after June goes then it is holidays and most probably everybody will going to India or any other country. So now before going to more more sharing your experiences etc, now we have someone to share their experiences and etc. So now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello?
What's your name?
Tara.
Tara.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tara, which grade you are in?
Huh?
Which grade?
I'm in 5th.
6th.
Yeah.
Okay. Which school?
I'm in Sharjah Indian School.
Sharjah Indian School.
Sharjah.
Okay. So you are living in Sharjah or Dubai?
Near to Sharjah.
Near to Sharjah. Okay. So, okay. Tara,
Yeah.
you know what is the meaning of your name?
No.
Stars.
Oh.
You have heard this Hindi movie and all, Tare Zameen Par.
Oh yeah, my friends used to make fun of me.
Oh, okay. So, Tara, so what did you do today in school? Like only studying and came back or some activities?
Yeah, kind of like that.
Huh?
Yeah, it was a normal day.
Normal day. So you didn't have any PE period or dance period or something like that? Any interesting?
I had PE period, but our class teacher took it because we had to finish our portion.
Oh, okay, fine. So, like you like butterflies?
Yeah.
Like which kind of butterflies you like? Brown butterflies or colorful butterflies?
Colorful.
Butterflies. So, this year we are going to India.
Huh?
This vacation you are going to India.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So by the way, there will be a lot of butterflies in front of your home and all, right?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. So you don't have a proper garden. If you plant more trees and flowers and all, then butterflies will automatically come. No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this time when you go to India, just collect some seeds and plant it all over so that you can see a lot of butterflies in front of you.
Okay.
Okay. So Tara, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading and art.
Okay. So you're an artist?
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay. Then why don't you send your creations to kiddokids@ntvua.com?
Yeah.
We'll be showing here.
Okay.
Did you on your TV or
No.
your TV is on, but I can hear my own voice.
It's new to me.
It's mutually okay, fine. Then maybe the phone disturbance. Okay, doesn't matter. So Tara, why don't we go for a game now?
Okay.
Which game?
Which are games are there?
Okay, I have a riddle, GK, dictionary, tongue twister, sentence making, spelling, memory game, atlas, connection, bus.
Atlas?
Atlas. Okay, you know how to play?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, then you start.
Okay. Mumbai?
Mumbai. Okay, India,
India. Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, and New York.
New York. K. Kuwait.
Okay, Kuwait. Tokyo.
Tokyo. O.
Oh, there's a place near to UAE.
Oman.
Oman. Okay, and Netherlands.
Netherlands. S. Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Australia.
Australia. A. Agra.
Agra. Okay. Alhamdabad.
Nanan.
Alhamdabad.
Ahmedabad. D.
D. Think. There's a there's a place in UAE.
Dubai.
Dubai. Ireland.
Ireland. D is the last letter.
Yeah.
D. Denmark.
Denmark. Okay, anyway, that was a very nice game.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I liked it.
Okay. So have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Tara who called us. So anyway, she was bright like a star only. She played nicely well. Okay, so I was talking to Tara about butterflies. Actually, all of you like butterflies. Who doesn't like butterflies? Just say me that. Okay, so because they're so colorful, I really love them. So I thought of being colorful. That's why I wore pink dress today. Okay, so now you can see a butterfly in front of your TV. So it doesn't matter. Don't wait till going to India, so you can see many butterflies in front of your TV. So now, yeah, I guess you all are satisfied. Wow. Okay. So first of all, you know that butterflies and moths are insects. They're kind of insects actually. So what are these butterflies and what is their life cycle? And something new is there, weight of a butterfly. So that's really discovered before 2 to 3 years maybe. So first I'll be telling what are butterflies and moths. Butterflies and moths are a group of insects called Lepidoptera. Lepidoptera means it's derived from the Latin word called lepido means the scale plus ptera means the wing. So it is called Lepidoptera. The scales you can see actually people have a confusion whether it's a scale or a fur or a skin, whatever it is, but actually it's a scale because it's so soft so people cannot identify it. But it is proved and scientifically it is proved that they are scales. So like all insects, butterflies and moths have head of course, then thorax, abdomen, 2 antennae and 6 legs, even 4 wings they have. Additionally, they have a proboscis which help them to drink the nectar from the flower and all, like honey, liquid type of thing. So thorax is inside the almost near to the proboscis. It's hard to find a butterfly however. So this can identify where the honey is there, and through it the proboscis can drink the honey. So some moths, moths, not butterflies, moths have some of them they are wingless adults, and primitive moths lack a proboscis. Because of this, when they are hatched out of from the egg, only maybe the wings won't be there or the proboscis won't be there, so that after 2 or 3 days they will die. A lifespan of a butterfly is just 1 week, 7 days. After that it will die. So now life cycle of a butterfly. So what do you mean by butterfly? How it looks like? So how did it came from and all? So once I went to India, No, they were. I was so small, like in 5 years or 6 years, that's all. So I was catching butterflies. So my mom told that not to catch butterflies. Then I asked why should I not catch butterflies? You know, they're flying. They're so beautiful. Then what's restrictions I have? Then she said that no, you have to not harm any animals. They are also living things. So you have to not catch any butterflies as advanced or any other insect like grasshopper, dragonfly, etc. Anything. Okay, so now why don't we go for a caller? Hello,
Hello?
what's your name?
Anjana.
Anjana. Hi Anjana.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm too fine. So well, which grade you are in?
I'm in third.
Third. Okay. Which section?
Huh?
Which section? Section you have A, B, C, D?
No, we have only one building for third, fourth, and fifth.
Okay, fine. So Anjana, which school you are in?
I'm in Model School Abu Dhabi.
Okay, NI Model School.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, so Anjana,
Yeah.
which is your favorite game, sports and all? No, you are interested in sports or?
Yeah, I'm interested in skating and basketball.
So you are a good skater.
Yeah, I skate like 4 wheels.
Okay, fine. So skating with one wheel is easy or four wheel is easy?
One wheel is little tough because you have to run and you'll be too tired, but 4 wheel is little more balance if you get it's easy.
Oh, okay, fine. So Anjana, any other hobbies other than playing these games?
Yeah, I am art.
Okay, so you're an artist?
Yeah.
See, send your images and creations to kiddukids@ntvue.com.
Okay.
Your drawings will be shown in TV.
Okay.
So even you can see it. So how it looks in TV. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So your parents are encouraging you in all these stuffs like basketball, skating, or drawing.
Yeah, they're encouraging everything.
Okay. So okay. So how many members are there in your house?
My phone number.
Members.
Yeah,
You have 4
4.
members. Brother or sister?
Sister.
Sister, small or big?
Small.
Small. How old she is?
2 months.
2 months or so small. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So let's play a game.
Okay.
Okay. We cannot play basketball and skating over here. So I have only some games which we can play through phone.
Okay.
Okay. So which game?
Can I play bus?
Bus, sure.
Okay.
You start.
1,
2,
2, 3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8.
9,
Bus.
11,
12,
13,
14, 16,
17,
18.
18, 19,
Bus.
21,
22,
23,
24,
bus,
26,
27,
28.
29,
Bus.
31,
32,
33,
34.
bus.
Okay, that was a very nice game.
Yeah.
I really loved it actually because I couldn't say so fast because you're so fast. I guess are you expert in bus?
Yeah, I also love.
Oh, okay. So Anjana, very well. Have a nice day and bye.
Bye.
Okay. It was Anjana who called us. Yes. And life cycle of a butterfly. As advanced, butterflies and moths have a complete life cycle like other insects too. This means that there are 4 separate stages and different stages, and each stage have its own purposes like for how it grows and all. So I'll be telling you here So then like even they are different. First, the egg is a tiny round or oval or cylindrical object, usually with fine ribs and other microscopic structures. The female attaches the egg to leaves, stems or other objects, usually on or near the intent caterpillar food. Actually, you cannot see the eggs with the naked eyes, because you have to have a microscope that mirror with you, then you can look and see the eggs, because they're so tiny. And well, actually you cannot see the ribs and all so clearly. You have to take it to the science lab and all, and then only you can see the ribs and all those stuffs. So that's why I've used the word here microscopic, because so small they are. As the caterpillar or larva is the long worm-like stage of the butterfly or moth. You know caterpillar, see the caterpillar. So it often has an interesting pattern of stripes or patches. You can see stripes and patterns on it. So, and it may have spine-like hairs. They're like bristles which cover their body and protects. And it is feeding and growth stage. As it grows, it sheds its skin for or more times so as to enclose its rapidly growing body. So this means the first it have a bristles, and each time they eat a lot, because to have a more times enclose it rapidly growing body. So it depends on moths and butterflies. They have some changes between the caterpillars, but you can identify also. But the thing is, they are in a butterfly group. So that's a general information. So now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Vaidehi.
Vaidehi. Hi Vaidehi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Had your lunch?
Yeah,
Okay. Vaidehi, are you studying in GEMS Around English High School?
no, I'm not studying. I'm studying in the model school, Abu Dhabi.
Okay, fine. So which grade you are in?
I'm in 6th.
6. Okay. So who's your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Sarah. Okay. Okay. Say something about Sarah. How's she?
She's so nice.
Okay.
She's very friendly with me.
Okay.
She always helps me.
Okay. So do you fight?
Nothing else.
Do you fight?
Huh?
Do you fight?
Yeah, sometimes.
Of course. There should be a fight, right? Then only friends you can say. No?
Yeah.
Okay. So Vaidehi.
Okay.
Okay. So which all games you like to play?
I like bus, atlas, cinema words.
Okay, fine. So which is your favorite animal or bird?
Animal.
Yeah, animal.
I like kitten.
Anything.
I like kitten.
Kitten. Okay. You mean a cat, a small baby cat?
Yeah, I love cat.
Okay. So now there are pet shops and all. Ask your parents to buy one cat for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So Vaidehi.
Hmm?
Okay. How many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members.
4 members. Okay.
Father, my mother, and my brother.
And your brother. Okay. So as you're in grade 6, is your FA1 and all is over?
Huh?
FA1.
Yeah, it's over.
It's over. How was the marks?
It was a little tough.
Little tough. Okay. So now just throw all the toughness. Next time you study and get more better marks. I'm not telling that it was worse marks anyways, but
Yeah.
just get better.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So now let's move to the game.
Okay.
Okay. So which game you wanna play?
But
Bus is over. See, I have 10 games with me. Atlas and bus is
Can you tell
over.
us?
Okay, I have now riddles, GK, dictionary, tongue twister, sentence, spelling, atlas, not atlas, connection and memory.
spelling?
Spellings. Okay. I guess
And
you
how
know
to play it?
spelling. I'll ask you a word and you have to tell its spelling.
Okay.
Okay. Say the spelling of. I'll give you an easy one. Olympics.
Okay. Olympics. O-L.
O-L-Y-S.
MPICICS.
Correct one.
Huh?
Correct one. Correct word only.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So, in your school there's spell bee.
Spelling, yeah.
Spell bee means like they give a lot of words and you have to learn and write it.
Yeah.
Almost okay. Maybe you can say like a dictation.
Dictation?
It's almost like a dictation. You know dictation, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so Vaidehi, bye.
Bye.
Okay. It was Vaidehi who called us. Anyway, she answered the spelling correctly. Okay. Then the chrysalis or pupa is the transformation stage within which the caterpillar tissues are broken down and the adult insects structure are formed down and the chrysalis of most species is brown or green and blend into the background. Many species overwinter in this stage. Like some pupas they get spoiled and they go. So and some pupas may grow and turn into butterflies. And they can be golden and silver color, you can see, or it can be in the color around to its surrounding. So any color the chrysalis can be in. Okay, the last part, the adult or imago is a colorful butterfly or moth usually seen. It is a reproductive and mobile stage for the species. The adults undergo courtship, mating and egg laying. The same circle repeats again and again. Till the world ends, all these butterfly circle will go on. So as even there are life cycle of a frog, etc. So if you have any suggestions of science topics, you can SMS it on 3537 and I'll be speaking about it. So now the weight of a butterfly. Weight ranging from 0. gram for a large butterfly, large swallowtail butterfly, and the small and little big one just 0.04 gram for a small butterfly. Okay, so before going into more information, now let's go for a caller. Hello,
Hello?
what's your name?
Ishel.
Ishal.
Yes.
Yes, Ishal, which grade you are in?
What?
Which grade? Which class you are in?
Ishel.
Yeah, which class? Which grade you are in?
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, 1 second. I'll just give it to the kids, okay? 1 second.
Hello?
Hello. Hello, Ishal, which grade you are in?
Which?
Okay. Okay, you speak in Malayalam, it's okay.
Okay. Hello?
Hello. ഏത് ക്ലാസ്സിലാ പഠിക്കുന്നേ?
Fourth.
Fourth. Okay.
Fifth.
Sixth. Okay. ഏത് സ്കൂളിലാ പഠിക്കുന്നേ?
Fifth.
Fifth. Okay, ഏത് സ്കൂളില്?
Fifth.
Yeah, which school? ഏത് സ്കൂളിലാ? Reduce the volume of your TV.
Bhavan's Vidya Mandar.
Okay, fine.
Bhavan's Vidya Mandar.
Okay, reduce the volume of your TV.
Bhavan's Vidya Mandar.
Okay, fine.
Bhavan's Vidya Mandar.
Okay, can you reduce the volume of your TV? Okay, I guess the call have dropped. Actually, whenever you call, please reduce the volume of your TV and call, or else automatically the call will drop, and then maybe you will not get a chance to call again. So, as the weight of a butterfly called the elf, that is a 0.04 gram. That's a very small butterfly, by the way. and there's a smaller butterfly than elf. So female Queen Victoria birdwing, the world's largest butterfly, would weigh 2 or 3 grams, and one of the world's smallest butterfly, the pygmy, only just grams a few thousands, means not 1,000 grams, thousands, the decimal point of a gram. So that's all. So then the weight of the butterflies, the life cycle of a butterfly, and what are butterflies and how it is structured. So now let's go for a caller. Hello. Okay, the call got dropped. Okay, it's fine. So I guess everyone loves today's information on butterflies, and I guess everyone loves butterflies well. So as I told you, if you have any suggestions, just send it on 3537. Okay, now let's go for a second segment, that is the rhyme.